This power-packed combination of colorful vegetables, plant protein, fiber, healthy fats and antioxidants not only supports overall metabolic health but is foundational for healthy skin, hair and hormonal function. There is less cooking, more chopping and assembling here, so don't let the long list of ingredients scare you. Let's make the rainbow Buddha bowl. Welcome to the dosha kitchen. First, the dressing. The top ones are the ingredients for the dressing and the seeds are the toppings. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 clove grated garlic, salt and black pepper mix as per taste and 1 tablespoon tahini. Check top right corner for tahini recipe. For the toppings, we have pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, ground flaxseed. You can even add some microgreens if you have them. Now, the main ingredients. The heroes of the bowl: boiled chickpeas and cooked quinoa or brown rice as you prefer. Then we have half cup roasted beetroot, half cup steamed broccoli, half cup grated carrot, half cup chopped cucumber, half cup chopped purple cabbage, and last half cup avocado chunks. As I said, most of it is chopping. I just did the boiling and roasting part together for the 4 ingredients. Before we start assembling, let's get the dressing ready. You just have to whisk all of the dressing ingredients together. And now the final assembly. Most important thing is the order in which to mix so the soft veggies don't get mashed. Start with the quinoa and the chickpeas, purple cabbage, carrot, cucumber, beetroot, broccoli. Stir this up a little so the veggies combine. Add the dressing and mix so that all the vegetables are coated properly. Add in the avocado now and mix gently because we don't want it to mash. When you're just about to serve, add the toppings so they remain crunchy. This is the pumpkin, sesame and flax seeds, and if you have microgreens. Rainbow Buddha bowl is ready. This bowl is very good for all doshas with some tweaks. Vata, steam all veggies and increase the oil slightly. Pitta, add pepper and garlic moderately and add coriander, cilantro and more lime. Kapha, prefer quinoa over brown rice, take more veggies, reduce oil and add more garlic and black pepper. If there is any recipe of mine that I will insist you try, it is this one. If you want to know how to tweak your favorite recipes to make them suitable for your dosha, then subscribe to our channel and put them in the comments and we will work on those next.